Today we got a new team that has gelled well with existing staff.
With the team synergy that we have seen in the last 1 year, the sky is the limit for National Bank.
What this bank is now and what it used to be is completely different.
This is Wanjiko's bank.
National Bank is one of the biggest in Kenya. It has branches all over the country, a large government stake and 50,000 other investors. A year ago, the bank started to rebrand, reflecting an up-to-date, customer-friendly image that's more in line with today's market.
The brand of National Bank has been in existence for over 48 years without any significant refresh. And the rebrand, therefore, is that physical expression of the change that the bank is undergoing. And to tell the customer we are different, we are more responsive, we are here to listen to you and to provide the solutions that you require.
The rebrand is in line with our transformation agenda. We had to break away from our past. And the only way to break away from your past is basically to rebrand.
The bank did actually suffer a very prolonged period of decline, at which point profitability was so low that dividends were not being paid to shareholders. That's behind us. We've now paid dividends for 4 years in a row when you include 2013. The message I want to give our shareholders is the bad days are behind you. You'll be enjoying not only dividends, but very decent capital gain.
The rebranding is more than skin deep. Alongside the cosmetic change has been an infusion of new, energetic young staff.
I can attest to the change that has been going on for the last 15 or 16 months that I have been in the National Bank and since the change started. I have an excellent team that comprises of part of the older team that we found at National Bank and a cocktail of new people from different institutions. And what we have seen is excellent teamwork.
I think the biggest change has happened in the minds of our people, to know that the customers who walks in is actually our employer.
My perception basically of National Bank was a sleeping giant.
We have worked extra hard as a bank and as a team to ensure that we deliver products that make sense to the customers out there.
We decided to use social media, that is Facebook, Twitter and the like. That is a major target in the market.
We are in all segments of the economy. We focus on corporate institutions where we give them a cocktail of financing solutions.
We have the premium customers, we have the lower end of the pyramid, and as a bank we are able to serve all those customers well. And with a rich and widespread branch network, we are able to tap in and serve all the customers, right in the counties, right down into the grassroots.
There's nothing tailor-made you'll pick off the counter to offer the customer. We have a relationship management team that will listen to the customer and be in a position to structure or avail an offering to the customer according to their needs.
Swahili Beach Resort was developed in order to create the confluence and eclectic feel that is on the south coast of Mombasa. The moment you enter the building and the surrounds that you are in, you are probably transposed into a different setting, a different era that immediately will relax you. And secondly, will take you to a meandering zone that has been created in each and every little area. In setting out to find a partner to do the finance with us, I think with National Bank, we realized straight away that there's not the normal jump through the hoops and tick the boxes on the list kind of an approach. It was a real interaction by real people that understood exactly what we required. There was an appetite in order to understand us, and not normally the appetite from other financial institutions to write the business. I think that was a critical difference for us.
One of our biggest agendas is to improve our service to our customers, decongest our banking halls, make it easier for our customers to walk short distances to access our services.
We've also introduced Islamic banking for that part of our market that does not deal in conventional banking. And as a result, we have taken a very big percentage of the market share of Islamic banking despite being in existence for less than a year.
National Bank Amana offers Sharia-compliant products. We do support our customers, especially the small media enterprises, and we have a very strong relationship with our clients.
We are a grain milling facility. We mill maize and wheat. We have been in the market since 1994. We serve as far as the borders of Nairobi, but in the meat milling side, we are supplying the biggest bakers in Kenya. Prior to us joining National Bank, we are with another bank for almost 35 years. But when the new team joined in and started knocking on our doors, they said, we are here to change, and we are looking for partners to grow with, and we are looking for people who have the same philosophy as us. We will be easy to access. As a businessman, you see an opportunity, you want decisions to be made quickly. We don't like bureaucracy.
We have also recently rolled out a very attractive mortgage proposition, what we are calling our National Homes proposition. We have got mortgage specialists that help customers walk through that whole path of from the time they identify their home to the point where they actually get the key to their home.
The sheer size of National Bank enables it to offer very competitive rates on all its loan products. Some corporate clients have known this for decades.
We are at Transafric Timber Limited, Nakuru County. The business we do here is the timber business. We have got the shaving, we have got the sawdust, and we have got the timber, and many other products like the blocker board and the toothpick. I started business when I was a young boy at the age of 10, and I've still gone a long way. I'm in business for a period of 46 years. I bank with the National Bank. I started banking with them in the year 1990. Till today, I still bank with National Bank. And it's a great help to me because my business, they have made it what it is today. They have bought me land, and I'm very happy of what they have done. And they have also supported me greatly in lending me money. And I'm very grateful of National Bank.
Like any other business, we are part of the community that we operate in, and we do take our social responsibility very seriously. We do invest in the health sector, we do invest in the education sector, we do invest in general community welfare. We also do invest in the environment. The message I want to give our shareholders is the bad days are behind you. You'll be enjoying not only dividends, but very decent capital gain.
National Bank has the right ideas and the right growth, and I believe National Bank could be the top 5 banking in this country in the next 5-7 years.
From my own personal level, everything you touch on is an opportunity, and we're seeing positive results, hence the excitement from where I sit.
I'll be putting my bets on this bank, the National Bank of Kenya.